Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia melaporkan kemajuan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina pada 7 Oktober 2022 kemarin. Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia diketahui melanjutkan operasi militer khusus. 2 batalyon musuh yang diperkuat melakukan upaya yang gagal untuk melancarkan serangan terhadap Persotravnovoye, Kislovka, Tabayevka, dan Berestovoye di arah Kupiansk, klaim Rusia. Semua serangan Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina telah dicegat oleh aksi intens pasukan Rusia. Lebih dari 80 personel Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina, 5 tank, 4 kendaraan tempur infanteri, 10 kendaraan bermotor, serta 1 sistem artileri self-propelled Jerman dengan persenjataan presisi tinggi telah dieliminasi. Pasukan Rusia telah melenyapkan lebih dari 30 personel Ukraina, 2 kendaraan tempur infanteri, 5 kendaraan lapis baja, Pasukan Rusia telah melenyapkan lebih dari 30 personel Ukraina, 2 kendaraan tempur infanteri, 5 kendaraan lapis baja, dan 5 pickup ketika pasukan Ukraina berusaha menyeberangi sungai Serebets di arah Krasny Liman.
Repelling of all the attacks of the Ukrainian armed forces and foreign mercenaries, the enemy has been driven back to its initial positions. Operations near Dicegat in Kherson region have resulted in defeating a company tactical group from the 60th Infantry Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. A total of over 300 Ukrainian personnel, 7 tanks, 13 armored combat vehicles, and 17 motor vehicles have been destroyed at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction. Attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces at the provisional bases of the 25th Airborne and the 79th Air Assault Brigades near Seversk and Slavyansk in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as of the 30th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Kordumovka in Donetsk People's Republic, have resulted in the elimination of over 100 Ukrainian servicemen and 12 units of military equipment. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces at Shepetovka repair works, located in Khmelnytsky region, have resulted in the destruction of the workshops for repairing missile and artillery armament of the Ukrainian armed forces. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 6 Ukrainian command posts, 53 artillery units at their firing positions, 162 manpower and military equipment concentration areas, 2 missile artillery armament and munitions depots of the 56th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Zaporozhye have been destroyed. Air defense facilities have shut down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Dzержinsk in Donetsk People's Republic. 4 unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed near Maltsevka in Kharkov region, Ivanovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Priyutnoye and Argodar in Zaporozhye region. 21 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Olha MLRS, as well as 4 HARM anti-radar missiles, have been shot down in the air near Novaya Kakhovka and Antonovka Bridge in Kherson region. In total, 315 airplanes and 158 helicopters, 2,164 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,448 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 862 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,453 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,360 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.